Are we rolling? Hi, I'm Chef Anthony Serrano, and I'm gonna teach you how to make turkey hummus meatballs with an easy cranberry salsa and a hummus casserole. Sounds tasty, right? Well, let's get cooking. To make these recipes, all you need is just a few awesome ingredients. First, we're gonna be making those turkey hummus meatballs with the cranberry salsa that's super easy to make. But before we do, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Turkey meatballs are great year-round and an awesome way to use leftover hummus. Add ground turkey to a bowl. Next, we're gonna add in Fresh Cravings garlic hummus. I love this hummus. It's made with simple, high-quality ingredients that are always a favorite in my house. Let me know in the comments what your favorite way to use Fresh Cravings hummus is. Next, I add in those diced onions, followed by sweet peppers. I love using sweet peppers because they got a nice taste to them, the kids love snacking on them, and they go great with hummus. Then a little bit of Italian seasoning. Then we're gonna add in just a little bit of salt. And because everything's better with cheese, we'll add in some shredded mozzarella. And finally, we're gonna add a little bit of breadcrumbs to it. Mix everything together till it's nice and incorporated, but don't overmix it. You want all your meatballs to cook at the same time. So what I do is I get a 1/3 cup measuring spoon. I fill it with my meatball mixture. That way they're all gonna be the same size and cook at the same time. I'm gonna cook them at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. I really want them to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. While our meatballs are baking, I'm gonna show you a fun little sauce that I love serving with them. Somehow, I always end up with a little bit too much cranberry sauce during the holidays. So this is a great way to use that extra cranberries. Then we're gonna add in that Fresh Cravings chunky style salsa. We'll mix together the salsa and the cranberries, and it's gonna turn out super yummy and go amazingly with those meatballs. Once your turkey hummus meatballs have reached an internal temperature of 165, remove them from the oven. Serve them with your cranberry salsa and garnish with fresh herbs. Now, let's make our hummus casserole with these awesome ingredients. You can get all these great ingredients at your local Walmart or walmart.com. Traditionally, casseroles are baked, made with a protein, a veggie, and a starch. But today we're gonna have fun and do things a little different. We're gonna start with a lightly oiled casserole dish. We'll add in our 90-second rice to our casserole dish. Then we'll add in our lightly roasted sweet potatoes. This is a great way to use leftover potatoes because you don't have to use sweet potatoes. You could use regular traditional potatoes as well. For the protein, we're gonna add in some of those turkey hummus meatballs we made. Then I like adding a little bit of Fresh Cravings salsa to it. I like adding a little bit of shredded mozzarella. Then Fresh Cravings roasted red pepper hummus. Mix it all together, make sure it gets all nice and incorporated. Once your casserole is all smoothed out, I add the remainder of the Fresh Cravings roasted red pepper hummus. It's gonna make a beautiful topping for our casserole. Now we're gonna put it in our oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, just until all that cheese starts to get nice and bubbly and melted. If you like the top a little crispy, which I do, I normally turn the broiler on for a couple minutes at the very end so it crisps all up and beautiful. Once your turkey hummus casserole is baked and is looking beautiful and bubbly, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. Garnish it with some fresh herbs and dive in. All of this looks and smells amazing. We have our turkey hummus meatballs that turned out perfect, our hummus casserole that is awesome, and best thing is we're able to use leftovers to create awesome new dishes using Fresh Cravings hummus. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, keep on cooking.